Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix your Farming Simulator 2025 flickering issues. So if your screen is flickering on PC when you're playing Farming Simulator 25, so what you need to do for that is you need to update or roll back your GPU drivers. So your basically graphic card drivers are often the first suspect when games experience flickering or stuttering. So what you need to do is you can update drivers. If you have NVIDIA or AMD drivers, you can check for the latest on their official websites and you can install them. If a recent update worsens the flickering, you can revert to an older driver version that worked well with any previous game if you've played. What you can do is, if that doesn't work, you can adjust monitor refresh rate and match in-game FPS. So what you'll need to do for that is, first of all, you'll press Windows plus I to open settings. From there, you'll go to System. From System, you'll go to Display, and from there, you'll go to Advanced Display Settings. Keep in mind, you're still in Settings, and this you need to do in Settings. You will from there select your display and click on Display Adapter Properties. From there, you will navigate to the Monitor tab and set the refresh rates to 60 Hz or 120 Hz if it's supported by your monitor. It really depends on what monitor you have. And in game, you can open Farming Simulator 25. You will go to Options, Display Settings, and from there you will set the frame rate to match your monitor's refresh rate. So you basically need to make sure that their refresh rate is the same, and you will apply and save the changes. If that doesn't work, you can enable or disable VSync. VSync basically synchronizes your GPU's frame output with your monitor's refresh rate to eliminate screen tearing, but it may also help with flickering. So you can turn VSync on in the game's display settings. You will enable VSync and set the frame rate to match your refresh rate. And if you need to turn VSync off, if it enabling doesn't help, you will try running it off and see if it resolves the flickering. From there, you can tweak FreeSync or G-Sync. This is specifically for AMD or NVIDIA users if your above steps didn't work. If your monitor supports adaptive sync technologies like FreeSync or G-Sync, they might be causing conflicts with Farming Simulator 25. For AMD FreeSync, you will need to open AMD Adrenalin software. From there, you will locate FreeSync settings. There, you will disable FreeSync and then test the game. If the flickering continues, just re-enable it. And for NVIDIA, you will open the control panel. You will go to Display, Setup G-Sync. You will disable G-Sync and test the game. If not, then we can re-enable it. From there, you can switch to exclusive full screen mode if the above steps didn't work, since some players report that using this mode can reduce flickering. You will basically open Farming Simulator and navigate to their display settings. From there, you will change the display mode to exclusive full screen, and then you will apply the changes and restart the game. You can lower volumetric fog and disable DLSS. These are often heavy on resources. These can lead to visual glitches. You can set volumetric fog to low in the advanced graphic settings, or you can disable DLSS entirely, even if your GPU supports this. Or you can replace DisplayPort with HDMI. If you're using a DisplayPort cable, you can switch to an HDMI cable. This could work as well. You can use Reshade as a workaround as well, since some users suggest that installing Reshade, which is a post-processing tool, it manages the game's shader and reduces the flickering problem. And if the problem still persists, you can contact their help center. And thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.